So I'm very excited to announce I have a retreat in 2027, April 22nd to the 29th in Morocco. We're going to Agadir, Morocco. It's about a few hours south of Marrakesh. You get picked up in Marrakesh and taken to the venue, which is the Casbah in Agadir. It has a beautiful view of the mountains. The place is beautiful with this terracotta look, colorful rooms, all the patterns that you think of when you see the pictures of Morocco. We have a half-day trip to a souk at El Had. We have a full-day trip to Taradant. We have another trip to the Atlantic coast. We go on a cable car. On the property, there's a Berber woman making bread every day. We have them demonstrate how to make argan oil. They have a Moroccan tea ceremony, a dance ceremony. There's amazing food, of course. And then there's a spa on the property and a beautiful pool. So it's very exciting to go to this place. I'm very excited to go. I haven't been to this venue with Uptrek yet, but I'm very excited to have friends who go back almost every year. And they love it because for an illustrator or an artist or a painter, Morocco is the place because of all the colors, right? You have these beautiful saturating ochres and siennas and some bright reds and turquoise. It's all there. So it's just a feast for the eyes, and that's what it's all about, right? You really want to paint some really kind of cool things and have a chance to go to a really cool different country that you're not normally used to, right? So I'm going to go through some slides and talk about it, and you can see some pictures of the venue and the accommodations and the food. But I'm really excited about it. I hope you're excited about coming to paint with me in Morocco. I think we're going to have a phenomenal time painting all kinds of stuff. And I think I'm going to actually push myself on this one. We're going to paint some people on this one. So it'll be really exciting. And I'm really excited to go. So check out the slides, and I hope to see you there. So here's a view of our retreat venue from the pool. Look at those wonderful colors, the terracotta, just vibrant florals and fauna all around the property. So many things that are wonderful to paint. Another view from the pool, just relaxing. The weather could be like in the 80s or the 70s in that time of year, so really great and comfortable. Some of the accommodations, really kind of pretty. Again, with these colors and patterns, I just love them. This is blues. It's so much fun to paint color. You know how much I love to paint color. And of course the food, these wonderful juices, fresh juices, and wonderful Moroccan food. These dishes in the tangine look so tasty. I cannot wait to try them. I know you'll be excited to try them as well. I just love trying different foods in different countries. It's so exciting, and I know you'll like it. Like I said, there's a Berber woman making fresh naan-type bread every day. I'm excited about that. We have Moroccan tea ceremonies. Very, very exciting to watch that. We go to the souk and see all the wonderful spices and things you can buy, rugs and other kind of things. We go to the city of Taradant for the day, check out the walled, buildings and all the fun stuff. Look at that. That's a great thing to paint right there. The architecture of that is beautiful. We go to Tazouk, like a coastal town. It's really kind of fun. They have like whitewashed buildings and some colorful painting designs around them. Here's another picture of like Taradant, the city, kind of walled castle building. It's really kind of cool. So many things to paint. Then we head back and we relax, look at the view of the mountains. So cool. Go in the pool. So go check it out. The link and all the booking information is there. If you have any questions, please contact Uptrek. They will be more than happy to answer them for you. I hope to see you there. I'm so excited.